As the whole world knows, on the 11th day of December 2023, Amaewhule and his 24 friends defected from the People's Democratic Party to the All Progressive Congress. On the 13th day of December 2023, the Right the Honorable Edison Iyi, as the Speaker of the River State House of Assembly, declared the seats of Amaewhule and 24 others in the River State House of Assembly vacant. That declaration by Right Honorable Edison Iyi has not been set aside by any court in Nigeria. When Amaewhule and the 24 others, in spite of their defection from the People's Democratic Party to the All Progressive Congress and their seats being declared vacant, continue to parade themselves as members of the River State House of Assembly, the legitimate members of the Assembly filed suit number PHC 1512/CS/2024 against Amaewhule and 24 others in the High Court of River State, where the court made orders restraining Amaewhule and 24 others, dissatisfied with the ruling of the River State High Court in suit number PHC/1512/CS/2024 at the Court of Appeal, Port Harcourt Division. Yesterday, the 4th of July 2024, the Court of Appeal, in its lead judgment, allowed the appeal by Amaewhule and 24 others on the grounds that the River State High Court lacks the jurisdiction to hear and determine the case. Accordingly, the Court of Appeal also struck out suit number PHC 1512/CS/2024 and nothing more. The Court of Appeal did not make any declaration that Amaewhule and 24 others did not defect from the PDP to the APC. The Court of Appeal also did not make any declaration that Amaewhule and 24 others are still members of the River State House of Assembly. Please take note that Right Honorable Edison Iyi declared their seats vacant pursuant to the provisions of the Constitution in Section 109, Sub 2 of the 1999 Constitution. We strongly believe that the Court of Appeal was in error when it held that the River State High Court lacked the jurisdiction to hear and determine suit number PHC 1512/CS/2024. Accordingly, we have instructed our lawyers and they have filed an appeal to the Supreme Court of Nigeria, challenging the judgment of the Court of Appeal delivered on the 4th day of July 2024. There cannot be two houses of assembly in River State or indeed in any other states in Nigeria. This House of Assembly, with me as the Speaker is the only House of Assembly in Rivers State. Martins Amaewhule and 24 others, in spite of all their pretenses, are no longer members of the Rivers State House of Assembly, and they remain so until a court of competent jurisdiction says so. Once again, we, the legitimate members of the Rivers State House of Assembly, hereby call on the Independent National Electoral Commission to immediately and promptly conduct a by-election to fill the vacant seats in the Rivers State House of Assembly. We strongly urge the general public to ignore Martins Amaewhule and 24 others in their pretense that they are members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. Thank you.